one was a president for say let's count ourselves lucky to have such a son. When him say and what you know. Now when him say between the gold, aqua oil, and also now minimum, and I know him. Now ni makara no betra so ka come anye. Ha we ka o ye. Now win him now win him. I don't mama no him. Oh Brad John, Pierre, media no. Now on him no him. As one who Bawumia adwene. Well, whose economy no? Me danne be ye reformist. What Bawumia san danya de no. Amanei, yes akonya oil, I had the gold you go. When I'm doing one I say, Bawumia no. Enya me wan so be the president ah. Obatimi aka say ko so ya de kwa kwaji bibi. Enya me wan. Sir, MP before the Bawumia bar, and never won it him no. I wo yi pia mako no. E betimi abase de ko so baba ko GBB. Enti enya me wan see ya de timber eba ko GBB Bawumia enso ne yeso obeye. Etu ye MPP ni etie na tie ni ye na dwen Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ho because ne sese no toso ne mu do na Bawumia ebeye. Enwachi me pacha o wadaroma edi am bobo edi e me bo me mu ase edi am bobo edi e say nipa no we paramount chief ewo Asante Mampong we yo he kasie ye friend dasebre osebonsu a otosumienu na wadaroma aburu wadaroma onkwaso wahi nyakwada wahi pia Yeti say nana Mampong he eye dasebre osebonsu the paramount chief of Asante Mampong nana wadaroma aburu wo Dr. Mamudu Bawumia saying nana me minim se ne yahu no fa menim nnan kotie yakwa na hemfie yakobusa nana Mampong he saying na hu Dr. Mamudu Bawumia wadaroma
job you are doing and undertaking for and on behalf of the head of state. It's no joke. It's no mean task at all. And I can confirm to you over here, not just because you're sitting just about a yard from me, I'm exaggerating. Nananum in Ashanti region, and I'm specifically using the name Ashanti region. Those of us in the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs, we do appreciate and admire you. Anytime you see you on the TV, immediately what comes to mind is, yes, here he comes, the chief exponent and proponent of governmental economic policies and principles. And the main reason why we in Nananom in the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs do really admire him and appreciate him is, and incidentally, just for the record, when one delves through the composition of membership of Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs, I can boast with my chest out that any profession within the Western world, name it, we have a member who is qualified over there. Chartered accountants, medical doctors, no mean lawyers and solicitors. I'm here, over 35 years standing. We are all composite members of Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs. So when you get this kind of caliber of body to appreciate and admire the human job he's doing, he is everywhere, giving series of keynote addresses to international workshop, seminar. Within Mother Ghana here, we do appreciate it. And one cardinal principle that he's been enunciating all the time is, he is not one of those from the world of academia who just preach theories. He touches on greater policies and then go to the extent to analyze it in depth, break it down into minutest structures and this and that for everybody to understand and appreciate it. Let's give a hand to our Vice President. I'm not exaggerating. Series of workshops he's been able to undertake is no joke.
Who Mantis of your robots. What would say when Mantis about them? Nanazia will say about me to aha. Hey. Say Dr. Mahmoud about me at here. What my way mu. One more young point show my mom knowledge and a careful about me. And now, wow, the actual master for testing me show so. Tie. On my way, one more young point show. I'm a munyansa, I'm a musika, I'm a muninta, and a careful about me. And now, as I the actual man, yes, it was so brother. Now, I was having kind when him. Oh, when him nice a no, in kind. There's somebody say, I try to come Tianyansa, Tia him. What he say? Hey, everybody, Yakupon. Nananum in Asante region. We do appreciate and admire you. So, Dr. Bawumia, listen to me. Nananum in Ghana, Nananum in Asante region, Nananum across the country. We do appreciate and admire you. What? Including me. Ati, doctor. We do appreciate and admire you. What? In Germany. Doctor, the next one, listen. What? Here he comes. Bawumia ne bano. Here he comes. Bawumia ne bano. And then or the adwin, or the nyansa, or the sika, or the anonyam, or the kwatetin, or the yedie, and eba Ghana. Here he comes. Tiebe who's your baby? And I be who? Nana say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was the chief exponent and proponent of government policies and principles of programs. Hey, Nana bro, for the Piawu. Bawumia is everywhere, everywhere you go. Bawumia is there. Everywhere you go, where there's a development, Bawumia is there. Nana, Nyankopon Enshirao. Send you what describe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no Nyankopon Enshirao. I found him. Me ma menu dwemufo. Edi. E dwemufo me ya onim. My say me jai Bawumia dwuma me dwemufo ma no me ye. Oni me nyadwe. Hwa mu ni madwuma no na sam dem be gina me dem nyehu. Yankoti say no mu describe Bawumia. Ari yankoti ma. Papiru yankodwem.
Ampada bi china sa ko no say. Ye ko so ba. O fa de ti ba poti na de na me kan say. Doctor.
Achrew, Miss Mekasa woman, no by ya, me no be ni butu. Ebre bu be Jimmy na me better warning. Me krana me di agro keke. But me who said there be we a penny toto Jimmy wa we am into me se me enkra mo de ma ye no. Slim kwasia ba stay me hu. Se won kwasia sa no me so mesua. Utie. Robot dance no. Jimmy, me so mesua robot ni bi. Watch the snake in the monkey shadow da. Me no was a pepe ne beye. What the sa king corn ba. Na mo so mama more king corn one say there be o sa boy anyway Jimmy. Kwasi ampa ni tintuntu a wa betra brochire so ntumi mpo. Me say e breda na ne ho no ha. Ka say bunim Shatawale. Aha, ne a friend bandana. E breda na ne ho no, otumi da ne ho. Utie, sa akode first when he sa boga na ya dia boy. Esesa yen watumi ayebi. Wachia me kwame. E breda ya rap otumi rapu bi. E ba ha life for 2 bi. Obrafo ya de call hip life for 2 bi. Ya de call her life for 2 bi. Esanse we Jimmy for na wonya